We're going to be unboxing the Fanttik mini electric screwdriver here. It has 24 magnetic precision bits inside this case right here. The case is fantastic, by the way, because right here is the case. Look how this is like metal. This is a metal case. And the cool thing is you just push on this right here and it pops out and just slides out for you. Look at that. Look at those bits right there in there. Oh, look at that. A ton of different bits. These are also magnetized. They're all magnet throughout here. So inside this case right here, if you pop one out like that, it does not stick in there. Like it's not like something that you push in. No, this is magnetized. So you just let it go and it just sits in there. They're all magnet involved. Makes it nice and easy. Go ahead and pull them out and put them back in. This here pulls out just like this right here. Nice precision screwdriver. Look at the end with it. Kind of show you. Hit the button right here at the end with it. Go ahead and turn it on. So it has two different torques at the bottom with it too as well. So you can go ahead and turn those right there. Turn on. You hit the button right here. Kind of see it right there. Nice, easy to use. Let's go ahead and put in a bit here real quick. Great for like kids' toys, drones, phones, anything you need a precision screwdriver on. And you can also unscrew too. Just hitting one more button back. Really nice and easy to use with it. But you get 24 different bits within here. So nice case and everything with it. Look at how cool that case is right there. The screwdriver is fantastic. This is a rechargeable screwdriver. So you don't put batteries in or anything like that. It just recharges with it. Uses a USB-C port to go ahead and recharge. So you use it for like watches, laptops, cameras, phones, drones, kids' toys, those kind of things with it, with the precision screwdriver right here. So this is the Fanttik mini electric screwdriver, and I hope you enjoy it as well.